Hey guys, what's going on? Model Rocks 321 here. We are here for a video. I know it's been a good while since you've seen me. It's been a good while since I flew anything in this area anyway. So we're going to be flying some stuff today. We're going to do Mercury, Gemini, Apollo. Got somebody back there. We got Mercury, Gemini, Apollo we're going to be doing today. Starting off with the Little Joe 1. In the meantime, be sure to go check the Estes discount code IN_321. Also check out what we got going on right here. Some new things are happening, new things are coming your way. It's Model Rocks 321. Subscribe to the channel, hit the thumb up, also drop comments, let me know what you think. And we are back in the saddle, so enjoy these flights. 321, we out. All right guys, here we go. We got the Little Joe 1, the Mercury Little Joe 1. Scratch built this a long time ago. Got the Mercury capsule on top of that Joe booster. We're gonna send this on a C63. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. And see, 3 seconds. Come on. Whoa. These things scare you out here. And there you go. We got capsule and rocket both out. That was a long 3 seconds. Slight little arch into the breeze. A small breeze out here. Not too much. Let me see, the breeze is about 2 miles an hour, so it should be nothing, but very nice boost. But yeah, I was aiming down that little 3 seconds, a little discomforting. I didn't like that. But anyway, we recovered. We're gonna go and, we got parachute out and boosters on both. So let's go check it out. First flight of the day. Let's go check, see what we got. Wow, 3 seconds. It's a long 3 seconds. All right, let's see booster here first, so we'll go to the, capsule here, so we'll go to that first. Very nice day. Very nice day out here so far. The weather is perfect, it's not too hot yet. So, all right, so here we have Mercury booster. Everything seems fine there. Yeah, I had lost this out here before. That had broken off. But yeah, that's all good. This is cool. I'll take that. Now let's get over here and get to the booster. Nice, it gave a little arc as it took off. So here we go, and we have the booster. Motors there. Yep, cool. All 4 fins are good. Parachute, good. And there you have it, folks. There you go. That was a nice flight. Scared me. I did not want this to hit the ground at all. This thing has many flights on it, guys. If you've been on this channel, you've seen this fly many times. I scratch built this many years ago, many flights, well over, I'm talking probably more than 50 flights. I always go with 50, but it's up there. I've flown this rocket many times. Anyway, we're gonna get, this is Mercury, so we're gonna go to Gemini next. Stay tuned for the Gemini Titan. 3, 2, 1, be right back. All right guys, next up we got the Gemini Titan. No, it's not the new Gemini Titan, it is the classic, the old school 80s Gemini Titan, single engine, about 15 inches tall. But the new Gemini Titan you can get, use my discount code. They're over on esdesrockets.com. Put the discount code in, IN_321. That's in the link. The code should be on the screen. Go over there, shop, put stuff in your cart, and you'll get a discount. Thank you, and I appreciate that. So we're going to be sending the Gemini Titan up. I believe it's a C65 in there. I forget now, but I think it's a C65. Should have a little longer delay than the Mercury Little Joe 1. So we're doing it. Mercury, Gemini, Apollo, and stay tuned for the Apollo coming up next. But right now, got the Gemini Titan. Let's go. All right, here we go, guys. We got the Gemini Titan going on a C65. Got Mercury, Gemini, Apollo happening. This is Gemini. We are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is. Nice boost. Good altitude and parachute. Gemini Titan. The Gemini Titan directly above us. Oh, he's over here now. I'm losing him. I'm trying to look at the... Oh yeah, here he is. Small drift. Getting a little... Give me a little walk. Yeah, that's a nice altitude on that. Great flight of the Gemini Titan. Nice flight of the Titan. As you know, like I said, you can get the new Gemini Titan over at Estes Rockets. Go on over there and get one of them. Use discount code IN_321 as he's coming on down real nice into that big orange parachute. Yeah, it's cool. Hanging there, just hanging. It's a good day out here. The breeze is very low. Oh yeah, he giving me a little walk. He's on the other side of that. He's right. I believe he's on top of that little ridge there. So I'm gonna go over there and get that, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So here he is, Gemini Titan, landing on top of this ridge of stuff. But he's all good. Motor's there. Capsule. Parachute, we are good. Nice flight of the Gemini Titan. Parachute kept it just hanging there, so he's good, and we're good. Now we got to get back down. Stay tuned, guys. We will be right back. All right, guys. Last but not least, we have the Mighty Saturn V. Estes version. This is a 24mm short version, so they were recommending D12.3s. But I've run this on an E24, had a successful flight on that before, so we are all set to go. And we have the onboard camera set up right there on the side, so we're gonna have some onboard footage. So enjoy the flight. Remember, shop Estes Rockets, IN_321, get a discount. I'm pretty sure the Saturn V is still available. They have a 29mm version available now, which is probably the true power they should have had. But we're gonna do it on the E20. Stay tuned, let's do it. So guys, the Mighty Saturn V. We got Mercury, Gemini, Apollo today, and this is Apollo. Mighty Saturn V is about to head up. And we got a moon up today, morning moon, and we are going. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The first stage may have stopped. Let's go to the first stage first. We'll go over here and see what happened. We got a tangle. Oh man, I double, triple checked everything. And let's see. Yeah, we got the broken. Look like the tower is off. Yeah, tower's off this guy. Look like we got a tear. So here's the tower. Tower is off. Oh yeah, tower's off. We got a little. Oh, I see what happened. What happened here? What happened here? We just had a little, yeah, parachute tour, like parachute tour. That's all that took place. Wow, ejection, I guess. Wow, I'm surprised by that. I'm a little surprised by that, but all repairable. She's a flyer now. The Mighty Saturn V roared off the pad. That was a nice boost. But yeah, all this is a clean fix, and make sure ain't no other small parts here that I might need. Yeah, it looked like it's a fairly clean break. And you can just redo this whole section. So I just may just get a new one. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. But yeah, as of right now, that's where he stands. So we'll gather this up and then we'll get on over here, because we landed on some harder stuff. So I'm thinking some fin damage. Hopefully camera is still there. Let's see, camera still there. Camera. Always worry about that onboard camera. And the camera is still there. Onboard footage is still there. So we got a parachute in the bush. And let's check those fins, because they are pretty fragile. Top two are good. It hit directly on the bottom of them. And they're all good. Wow, pretty nice, nice. Video is still rolling. Let's go on and stop that guy. So yeah, the Mighty Saturn V, guys. This is the last flight of the day. Nice flight. Roared off the pad on the E20-4. Super successful flight. Small damage. I'll call that minor damage. Now you will lose points on that damage, but that's the way it is today. So guys, 3, 2, 1 here. Hope you enjoyed this episode. This was a lot of fun. I'm so glad to be flying the Mighty Saturn V again. It's great. It's a great one. One of the greats. The Mighty Saturn V. We will catch you guys in another video. Stay tuned for the debriefing. We will go over all this stuff and we will talk and we will walk. 3, 2, 1, and I'm out. Peace, guys. We are going. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, welcome to the debriefing. 3, 2, 1 here. You just witnessed 3 scale flights. You witnessed Mercury, Gemini, Apollo. Mercury Little Joe 1, my scratch built one, flown this many times. Another successful flight. Super stable. This is one of my favorite rockets, even though I have many. This is definitely on that list as a favorite. As far as the real version of it and the model version of it. So I went up on a C63. I'm just trying to get this motor out here. You have to tape. This one you have to tape it in because there's no engine hook or anything. So you just tape it in, or you can friction fit. I usually just tape it around the engine nozzle and onto the motor mount tube. So that's what I'm trying to get out right now. But yeah, today was a lot of fun. Good getting out there again, getting back in the saddle of some flights. Should have a few videos coming for you here soon. I'm trying to stay on the launches. Even though it was very nice weather recently and I skipped out on a lot of, well, it was windy. It was nice weather, but then it was too windy. Winds up in the upper 15 and close to 20 mile an hour. And I was just like, I'm not going to go out just to not be able to do anything. So, or, you know, just for some crazy launches. So there you have it. That's the C63. Yeah, this is a great flyer. Got the Mercury capsule up there. And I noticed SD sell this capsule alone. So this rocket's built from plans by this guy by the name of Yitta Wu. These are his plans that I built this from. I'm not sure if he used that engine, that launch lug right there, but I just wanted something that'll get me past this ring, and you build a standoff or something like that. But this, I'd use the one from Mercury Redstone. So there you have it. That was the first flight. Went pretty nice. That covered Mercury. Next up, we had Gemini, old Gemini Titan. Get the motor out of there. Yeah, it's an old Gemini Titan here, and that one also went on a C63. Very nice flight, nice and high, everything stable, super cool. Recovered well. This one's old here, as you can see. But as you know, Estes has a new version out, which you can get right now. Discount code, you know all about that by now. Go to Model Rockets 321. Go to estesrockets.com and put in IN_321. Get yourself a discount on some products. So yeah, Gemini Titan, old school rocket, went well, flew great. Everything was pretty nice. So that's those two. Last, certainly not least, this flight went a little crazy. It went crazier than I thought. It was my, that's the motor right there, the E24W. It was my Saturn V, the Mighty Saturn V. It's the biggest version that Estes make. This is one of the older ones because the newer one has 29mm motors or flies on 29s. This one flies on 24s. But I swapped out the D12-3 for an E20-4. And it leaped off the pad. The flight went okay. It was a little more wild than I wanted. It streamed off the pad, as you can see through the footage. Gave me some nice onboard footage also. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. The flies, getting dents and dings. It had its bruises, getting its bumps. But the part that I did not enjoy that much was like, oh man, that tower. Which a lot of people take their towers off. They don't glue them. They just take them off and move them for flight. Which I understand as a smart move. But I like to fly them, as they are, man. I like to fly them the way they're supposed to be, as the real one did. But when you do that, stuff like this happens. But overall, good deal, good flight. On the first flight, this whole bottom bulk plate got blown out. You can see some char there. I guess I don't know, parachute hit, I don't know, just got blown away. So I had to rebuild that section there. And it's good. But yeah, everything's still fine. Other than this, it was a decent flight. Wasn't the greatest flight. Not a whole lot of altitude with the E20, but pretty nice flight. It streamed off the pad. It lit. That motor lit, as you can see, and the igniter was gone. It was still coming up the power, which is nice to see. Cool stuff. So that's those three guys. That is the debriefing for today. Hope you enjoyed Mercury, Gemini, Apollo, my version of it. And yeah, we'll see you on another video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Also, I just want to say this: 62626, June 26, 2026. Something is coming. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. 62626. Something's coming. MyRocks321. Thanks for watching the video. I'm out.